Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to bulk print multiple documents and images in different formats on Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop home screen, so you can see I have a different documents as well as image files which are in different formats. So by default we don't have such options to bulk print multiple documents or image file all at once. We need to select manually one by one in order to print. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as bulk printer. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. You'll see here download now option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on OK. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on install. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So now you can see the user interface of this software. So it's already written here, drag and drop the files, or you can just click on this file also to add files. So let me drag all the documents as well as the image files here. So I have added multiple documents as well as image files which are in different formats. So you can see they are all in different formats. So now at the bottom you can see your printer option. So just click on this down arrow icon if your printer is not showing up and just select your respective printer which you want to select. Next to it is your orientations. So you can select the landscape mode or the portrait mode, whichever you want, and image fit to pages. If you have large size images, then it will fit to the respective size which you want to select, and you can select the page number range also from which page to which page, and the page size also you can select depending upon what type of pages you want to use while printing the respective documents as well as the image files. You can select the F4, F5, so tons of options like letter size also available, and how many copies you want to print per pages, 1 or 2, and you can even select the black and white printing option. If you enable it, then it will print only in the black and white. And below there are more settings like work settings, 1 page per sheet, and you can select the font styles also for the respective documents and images files. You can see by default it will select the default font, and once you're done with all your settings, then you can see your start now option. So just click on it and it will start printing one by one all the documents as well as the images. So by using this application named as bulk printer, you can easily bulk print multiple documents and images in different formats on Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.